Add to stream. Remember how we do this. Make sure this is working right. Let me see. What are you doing, Scopies? Come on. Where the hell is my video? Let's see what's crack-a-lackin', yo. I'm back. What's up, buttercups? Let's go back to here. Where's our video? Make sure we got some sound. What are you doing, baby girl? Huh? Hope you're all having a blessed night. Now you here? See what's crank-a-lankin' with the Russians and the crypto market. Baby girl. Okay, we good. What's up, guys? What's up? Thank you all for joining the stream. Hope you're all having a blessed night. I'm just going to go down through the market, see what's cracking. If you guys remember about 4 weeks ago, about 3.5 actually, you can go back to my YouTube as well. We're going to go into my tweets. Russia, their banks, as you know, they manipulated the market huge. People really didn't pay attention to it until the war struck. I told you guys a while ago, actually, that they were using the market money to pay for their war. And what do you think they're doing? They are using the market's money to pay for their war. We're going to go back into some tweets I had when I had called it, 3.5 weeks ago, how the banks in Russia said, hey, we're not going to accept Bitcoin. Biden waited about 4 days and then started his shit. And then he was on his way to, buying everybody's Bitcoin. It's unfortunate what's going on in the world, but one thing happens and everybody starts to follow suit. The market did crash this morning, but as you know, it did, fix itself. The Russian market fell 40% and it's never done that. This is where this morning where they had invaded. And this is kind of serious if you guys don't understand. But Kyiv is the biggest place that was hit. That's the capital where they have all the Capitol buildings in Ukraine. So if you guys don't know about the war that's going on, it's not a war, quote unquote, but it's a military activity because Putin can't call it war because that'll diminish Article 5 for the peace treaty, and that basically means that no country can, start shit or cause a World War III because they will be X'd out of the NATO. But let me hide this real quick. I don't want to spend too much time on what Russia's doing. I wanted you guys to see what's going on in the market. So let me bust open and see what's going on in CoinMarketCap. As you guys know, everything is on sale. And what are you doing? Are you going to be buying the dip? They look at this volume. Holy shit balls of fire. Look at that. Binance, dude, is an exchange. They did over $31 billion overnight. If that ain't something, that's fucking something. This is killing it. Coinbase Exchange did over $6 billion. These exchanges are killing it. This is on spot trading because that's what we've been working on. And the market cap is $1.7 trillion. That's actually not doing too bad, guys. The top cryptocurrency, as you can see, Bitcoin did fall. It is down 5% in 7 days. The market's starting to correct itself, which is pretty good. Everything's down, though, man. If you have money, what you should be doing is finding a coin to buy into and, day trading it or spot trading it. We've been working on a lot of different trades, but I just wanted to hop in here for you guys, say what's popping with, the little war that we have started with Russia and Ukraine. But for you guys that have money and you want to trade on something, you go over to coinmarketcap.com. You're going to go over here to your biggest gainers. Look at these coins. These are ranked not that high on this side over here. See these over here? Bam, right here on my screen. They're not a good rank, guys. So what you're doing is these coins are pretty kind of legit. This one right here, this ETH fan token ecosystem, this is a very, very good coin. There's a lot of good stuff on this. There's a lot of good people who have entered this coin. It's up 167. It's already at a $34 million market cap. As you guys know, we try to stick with low market cap gems. But look at this. Last night it was only at a 125, and now it's at a it's up almost 200%. So if you guys are looking for coins to get into, hop over to your top gainers. You can make money on these bad boys. Super simple. You just follow the trends of the market. What we're going to be doing now with Keep It Ratchet KIRcoin channel, as well as Ratchet News, our Ratchet DIY. We're going to be showing you guys do-it-yourself videos so you guys could learn crypto trading, aesthetics, basically what we do and what our coin promotes. As you know, Keep It Ratchet is going to be dropping in April, guys. It'll be dropping the first week of April. And we have landed a very big partnership that's going to help us this next month start kicking off, the start of our token, man. We're looking forward to it. We have our e-commerce store coming up. It's been, something in the making. But if you don't know, we are keepitratchet.com. Link is in the bio. This is our webpage right here, guys. If you haven't seen it, it's pretty dope. But we're adding to it. 49 days, 1 hour away. Beginning of April, we drop our contract, guys. And like I said, we have partnered with a big company that's going to help us boost our coin. And we're going to have a lot of marketing starting this month because we anticipate our e-commerce page to be done. It's the first week of March. But check it out. You get in here. You can check out what we're doing. There's different outfits. There's kids stuff, whatever you need. We got some hoodies. This is our version 1. But, we're coming, guys. We want to show you how to make money, whether it be from trading, branding. We're going to help you. We offer nothing but education. And, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to hop into our coin. But what I am telling you to do is check out our merch. We got some dope merch. You can use us for your own company. We'll make your merchandise, whether it be, clothes, signs, banners, vehicle wraps, whatever you need. We are here to help y'all. Check out our roadmap. Join our subscribe section. And if you want to get some of our NFTs, we have our buy now section. You can either buy them here with this buy now, bam, or you can join this one right here, buy now. Hit the buy now. Takes you over to our OpenSea account and lets you get in some of our NFTs, folks. So what I was hopping in here to show you guys, though, was, basically the market, man. It's down, but that doesn't mean that you cannot make money. Got it. So look at this. So February yesterday, today's the 21st. So the coin, 22nd, 3rd, 4th. Yes, this is in what days? Okay, so yesterday the market for this bad boy was at about a 18.18, and now it's at a 1.5. So basically yesterday you had the opportunity to make some gains. And everyone freaks out about the market. Let me tell you guys, look, this came out in June. It hasn't even been out a year. And you're scared of your investment? I mean, at least let it stay in there for a minute. This is trading by the Trillos. Let's see what it is today. So yesterday it was up. Today it's down. It's up 1.5%. Yesterday it dropped 12%. But guys, I ain't telling you what to do with your money. I'm just saying if you got extra cash, use it. Cryptocurrency is a good way to come up fast. And if you believe in the token you're in, you can make some money, man. We are trading in a new way as far as doing some arbitrage. We're trading on the top coins so you can make some money, and I can make some money. We have been focused on the project. I had a couple people write me and inquiring about what's been going on. But we've been with our project guys, and our focus right now is getting the project out, getting it running. We landed a big partnership that had a big part to do with where we've been, and team members, getting the right people on our team. We don't want pussies and sissies. We want people that are down for the ratchets, dog. But what I'm saying is, check it out. Saitama, where you at? What's going on, Saitama? Let's delete that. Delete this. And oh, look, we had a little reverse. We were right when we were claiming that bad boy. But guys, check it out. So we had a little bit of downtrend going sideways. From this was the initial days. Remember, our coin was going to come out, and we've been trading sideways. A little bit of downward trend, a little bit of trading sideways, a little bit of downward trend, a little bit of trading sideways. So yesterday, as I said, we were up at a 24th. Yesterday, guys, we were at almost a 19. So what that means is if you had 1 trillion coins and you sold them, that would have been $19,000. You could have sold that 1 trillion coins at the lowest you would have got it was at $12,000. Right there. Let me zoom in for you. So look at this right here, the end of the wick, $12,000. Some more. Can you see that? Let me see. That's as much as it zooms in, my bad. But look, you could have sold right here. And it's crazy because God talks to me. He said, hey, you got to do something right now. And I ignored it like a retard. I'm sorry, not like someone who doesn't pay attention. There's nothing wrong with you born a certain way, but if you're not paying attention to signs, then I call it as it is. You're being stupid. So yesterday it was at a 19. Sorry, I'm looking at my other screen. Yesterday it was at a 19, and 19.4. Oh, even look, it was almost at a 20. Saitama has legs, guys. Remember, this coin came out and it went to a $17 billion market cap with nothing, with no utility. Nothing had got let out yet. It was just pure hope and promise, speculation. It went to a $17 billion market cap. Now they actually have utility. They have sponsorships. They have partnerships that they didn't have before. They have their app that's almost completely out. The Saitama works for everybody. The swap function should be turned on by now. If not, it'll be turned on tomorrow. But I wanted, you guys, this thing is still holding strong. It didn't go to zero. It has a shit ton of holders, and just be patient. Remember, this coin hasn't even been out for a year. If you invest into traditional stocks, IRAs, the real stock market, you at least wait a year. So give it a year, 1 year. If it doesn't do what it's supposed to, because it's not going down, it has its utility cases coming out. If it doesn't do what you want it to, then get out. But don't be scaredy cat. I was in the wrong screen. Wow. So now you can see better. See, look at this right here. Let me zoom in. You guys can see that now. So yeah, look, it dropped almost to an 11 this morning. So you could have fucking made $8,000 off of 1 trillion coins. Bought back in. You could have either kept the money, bought in at 11, kept your $7,000, $8,000 after fees, and you would have already been up right now from your little sell-off, $7,000. So, guys, there is ways to make money. Just because the market's down doesn't mean you can't make money. There's points everywhere to make money. Don't be scared. Don't be attached to your coins because, if it's a good coin and it's around, you're able to make your profit. You're able to make your money. I unfortunately missed my time to make some money yesterday. And, it's easy. Look, you sell, you buy. My fear is if Putin wanted to pull this shit with Russia, then this thing would continue to be on an uptrend, which is going to turn around. The market sold off, and, a lot of people don't agree with what Russia's doing. That's why their market crashed, and it's, showing on ours. And we got some road to recovery. At least with Saitama, we have use case coming out. The app's actually done. It's out. It's in your hands. It's working. Just be patient. I'm waiting for this bad boy. I know what it did last year for me. I know I spent lots of money last year. My family did. And, we relied on reflections, which was good. We did sell some coin, but hey, shit happens. We are where we're at, and, we're ready to roll, man. Investments aren't overnight things. So if you wanted to get into a day trade, a shit coin, then there's ways to jump into these coins, guys. But, the only thing bad about it is getting in on coin launches is sketchy. We don't do it as much anymore because every other project is a rug pull. But let's hop over here real quick. Let's see what's going on with Saitama. We'll see what's going on with Russia, and then I got to let y'all go. I'm going to come in. We should have a new video dropping this week about flash loans. If you guys don't know about flash loans, that's one of the coolest fucking things I've found that's going to lend you. A flash loan lends you up to $32 million. But how do you get a flash loan? You got to be smart. You got to learn how to write code. You got to risk it for the biscuit. And guys, look at this shit. Do you think Russia troops approach Kyiv as explosions heard across Ukrainian? Let me hear this guy real quick. If you guys don't know what this guy said, let's hear what he has to say.
The president believes that sanctions, no one expects.
Let me just tell you, this guy's going to come on here, Biden. I didn't vote for him, and none of my family voted for him. I mean, call it what it is, but this guy's just a puppet. He's 70 years old, and somebody's always telling him some shit in his ear. And what's up, Akshay? What's up? What's up? What's up? He's always telling people some stuff in their ears. People are always telling this man stuff in his ears. He thinks that Russia is going to be, basically hindered, or, they care about these sanctions. Russia's been in sanctions since 2014. They don't give a shit. And with Biden, in office, they're just taking advantage of it. Russia's taking advantage of it to run the market. They already pulled market manipulation 3 weeks ago, like I told y'all, but nobody want to listen. Nobody want to listen. Okay, so let's listen to what this man has to say about giving Russia. Yes, yes, brother, prayers. People dying, and the way shit's going is no bueno, but this world is fucked up right now. So this is in Kyiv, guys. Let's see it.
The sanctions to prevent anything from happening. It has to show. This is going to take time. The president believes that sanctions are intended to deter. And in order for them to work to deter, they have to be set up in a way where if Putin moves, then the costs are imposed.
But if you believe Putin has made up his mind, what leverage do you really have? Why not put those sanctions in place now?
The purpose of the sanctions has always been and continues to be deterrence. The deterrence effect of these sanctions is still a meaningful one, especially because remember also, we still sincerely hope that there is a diplomatic path out of this moment.
The
Nope.
purpose of the sanctions, in the first instance, is to try to deter Russia from going to war. As soon as you trigger them, that deterrent is gone. And until the last minute,
Russia don't care.
as long as we can try to bring a deterrent effect to this, we're going to try to do that.
Our hope is that Putin will decide to de-escalate, that he will feel the threat of the sanctions, what the impact will be on the Russian economy, on the Russian people, on the people who surround him. They are meant to have a deterrent impact, that he will feel the weight of being a pariah in the global community. The way we look at this, broadly speaking, and Dilip touched on this a little bit, is that we do see them as having a deterrent impact, right? It doesn't mean they're 100% foolproof.
Guys, let me tell you, go back and look. Russia does not give a shit.
There is no purgatory for war criminals. They go straight to hell.
There's no purgatory. Russia don't care about sanctions. With Biden in office, there's word and word about this man laundering money through Ukraine, and everybody's back in Russia. Everybody's back in Russia. China, all the big players that have world power bombs back Russia. Biden, he doesn't know what to do. Straight up with Putin in office, we had no fighting when Trump was our president. And if Trump was in office, he would have, deterred this shit from happening. It is what it is, though, right now. I wanted to show you guys, a little bit what's going on. And there is what's going on with the sanctions, man. It's kind of shitty. But on a brighter note, we can't control what other people do. But we have Makshev. He is our partnership for Saitama. And this is something that if you are in the market, if you follow my channel, we've been out for a little bit, but Saitama's coming back, dude. Saitama's going to blow it up. We have a nice little road ahead of us. And it looks like it's, fuck, dude, this damn Russian war, man. It's not a war, remember. It's military, tactical, whatever he's calling it, because it cannot be called a war. Guys, the market's down. Buy the motherfucking dip and tell me thank you later. That's all I can tell you. I hope you guys have a blessed night. Prayers for Ukraine. And let's see what's crack-a-lacking. I've been gone for a long time. We've been gone for about a month and a half. We've been gone for a month and a half, motherfuckers. But on a brighter note, check out what CoinMarketCap said. Kishu, Saitama, Baby Doge. Which one will outperform the others? Did you see the good news and the bullish news that they said about our coin today? Check this out from CoinMarketCap. Straight from CoinMarketCap's mouth, which is beautiful. Where is it at? Where's this shiznit at? Technical analysis says the meme coin cycle isn't over yet. Kishu, Saitama, Baby Doge, which one will outperform the others? Due to Dogecoin's monster rise, dog-themed coins have become a prevalent category of crypto in the market over the past year. Many market participants have been searching for a new potential meme coins too long. Baby Doge, Kishu Inu, and Saitama are the latest coins to have captured investors' interest. The market is at a decision point, with war fears significantly affecting Bitcoin price. Meme coins are higher beta assets in comparison to Bitcoin, so will therefore react to Bitcoin price action. Caution is advised, however, if Bitcoin finds a bottom, then they could be a great play. Let's jump onto the charts and see how these three coins look. So this is Baby Doge. This level has since flipped into resistance. Price will move test to support of 29.76, which it is now at a 29, as they called it. Ideally, the price will bounce at this level, allowing it to test the resistance again. As mentioned above, the current Bitcoin price action will dictate the direction of Baby Doge. If you are bullish on Bitcoin, buying the higher beta Baby Doge would be a good play. Meaning, if you like Bitcoin, you can play off of Baby Doge. Let's go. As can be seen on the chart, the volume at the upside move was massive. This either indicates that big buyers are accumulating or that smart money sold into that pump. The price is unfortunately in a one-day downtrend and needs to break the 38.37 to make up uptrend. That was for Baby Doge, yo. Let's see what Kishi knew. Kishu is likely to move into a demand zone after breaking down from 1643. If it can reclaim the previous support, then a move to... How many zeros we got here? I think it gained a zero. No. I think that actually the market is going to turn. The market will reverse. As you can see, if you look at the market, so if the market was still going to be scared all day, if it was going to continue to be in a downtrend, then these numbers in Bitcoin, the numbers in regular stocks and bonds would have continued to decline. But since they're not continuing to decline, and as you can see, as the day went on, the market started to go through a reversal, meaning that the people with the big money said, oh shit, well look, maybe this isn't, as bad as we thought, and our money is not in jeopardy like we thought. So then they start to buy back in, right? And that's where you get this big reversal. This morning, all these numbers were down in the double digits. I know Saitama this morning was down 40%, if not 50% from its point. I think Baby Doge was down about 37, and Kishu was down like 27%. So the market's going to reverse, guys. And this is another, maybe Biden, maybe Putin will, decide to pull out. And what will happen when he pulls out? The market will reverse. But as of now, there's still scared money in here. But the big buyers, the big investors, they say, their money's not at jeopardy as it was before. Look at Kishu, what it did. It jumped all the way up here. Now it's been stable downtrend, and now it got its big ump. This was back in November. I remember when this happened, they were going to release their video game, and then shit started happening, and it went to a downtrend. Kishu bulls want to see the price hold within this demand area. This is because if the price breaks down for the bullish order block at 12.11, all-time lows are in play. So they're saying that Kishu low is going to go down. Saitama, we just released our use case due to what's going on in Russia. We just caught our break with our swap coming out, and now we have, look at this last candle. You can see this last candle. Can you see this last candle, guys? So with the wick burning up and going reverse where the candle's at the top, that means that there's a lot of buying pressure coming in. If it's neutral, oh shit, come on. I won't zoom in anymore. I hope y'all can see that. But you can see this one right here. It's at the bottom wick with the little candle. This one right before it means it's neutral. If the candle's in the middle and there's a same even wick on each side, that's neutral buying or selling. Right now, it looks like it was going to go on an uptrend, or it's going into it right now when they took this photo, because that's a lot of buying pressure right there coming up with a little, a smaller wick versus, even a smaller candle on top of it. That means it's going up. If it was opposite, like, this one right here, this red one, as you can see, that means that there's going to be sales coming. These are in a day, I believe. So that's a lot of sales that day. And it started to go in a neutral market right there. That's why you got these two neutrals. Bam, bam. There was a downtrend sell right there. But you get the point, right? So let's see what they wanted to say about Saitama. This is why we're here right now. Saitama is currently consolidating between a supply and demand zone. The price seems as if it could be accumulating here. However, if the price loses the 0.718 demand zone, it will likely visit 0.88, which is more than a 46% downside move. This is a must hold level for bulls. What you guys have seen, we are holding. Even with the war, this fucking price bounced right back up. As stated for Kishu, it is much better to wait for the price to show where it wants to go. Saitama is also on a one-day downtrend. There is no need to bid just yet. It's better to wait for the market to become stronger. The decreasing volume shows less interest in the token from investors. The price action is not particularly bullish. However, comparing these coins to each other will give a good outlook on which one will outperform. Therefore, making the decision on what meme coin to hold is easier. So check this out. If you guys haven't read this news, this is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and step down here. At Saitama, blah, blah, blah. Saitama and Kishu. Saitama bulls are still around to accumulate. If this demand zone cannot hold price, and is likely it'll move to 4 next. That is the demand zone 4 right there, as you can see. And that's where we jumped yesterday. And it even did to what? 15, 20. That's war, baby. That's what happens with war. You get this bullshit right there. But check this out. This is why we're here. Summary. Saitama is currently consolidating between a supply and demand zone. It is possible that the price is being accumulated here. After comparing the meme coins, that means all three of them, to each other, we can derive that Saitama looks like the best meme coin to hold out of all of these meme coins. How about that? Saitama is the best. Coin Market Cap put this out, and these fuckers can't even give us the right ranking on their site, but it is what it is. All right, guys, I just wanted to hop in here, get my feet wet again, let y'all know what's crack-a-lacking. We have our e-commerce store coming out. It should be out in a week or so. Until then, you will be able to purchase clothing, which is a fucking awesome way we're going to be allowing you to purchase our clothing, and it also gets you a dope-ass NFT. Stay tuned for that. We're going to be going live at least once a day. I don't think we can do 3 times a day just with everything that's going on. We're also doing a lot of education, prepping. We have partners to basically, gain from our project, and just not our project, but what we're doing to help the world. So stay tuned, guys. I thank y'all for listening tonight. It's been a while since I got on this thing. Feel a little shy tonight, but hey, we're gonna get back up on the horse, and this will be like nothing. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed night, and let's see what this guy said right here. Old guy David. He's a funny guy. I'm so confused. Gas? ADA, ETH, Bitcoin? You should be, your car is an electric model. That's fucking funny. Yep. Well, you guys have a blessed night. You'll see y'all tomorrow. I'll hop on. We're going to go live at least once a day. Like I said, it's not going to be as many times as before, but we are here. Father saying goodbye to his daughter as he puts her on a bus to safety, and he stays behind to fight for Ukraine. You see that? Wu-Tang is for the children, dog. He's going with a wife. He's got to stand strong, homie. They're here to kick some ass and take some names, dog. Y'all have a blessed night. You're here, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Remember, visit our links on the description, and we will see you guys. Have a blessed night. Pray for them people in Russia as well as Ukraine. Take care. We take you on the next one. And say a prayer for these people, man, because this shit's whack right now. It's affecting the whole world, but it'll get better. And once it hits bottom, it can only go up, is what they say. What goes down must come up. Y'all have a blessed one. Take care.